NORMDIST returns the value of standard normal cumulative distribution function for a specified value. Standard normal distribution function is the normal distribution function with mean 0 and variance and therefore standard deviation of 1. So we will calculate or use NORMDIST to generate a dataset from this range of x values. So array formula, norms dist of the x values. You can also use NORMDIST of x comma 0, which is the mean, 1 for the standard deviation, and 1 for cumulative distribution. Array formula, norm dist for x, and our mean is 0, and for 1 standard deviation, and 1 because it's cumulative distribution. We can use Gauss function. Array formula, Gauss of the x values. But we have to add 0.5. So we will add 0.5 to the array formula. Now they're on the same line. We can also use ERF. Array formula, ERF, the x values. Then we factor in square root of 2 to x. So divided by square root of 2. And multiply 0.5 to ERF. And add 0.5 to the array formula of ERF. Now they are on the same line. This shows the relationship of NORMSDIST, NORMDIST of x, comma 0, comma 1, comma 1, and 0.5 plus GAUSS and the ERF function.